Students, how are you all? I hope you all are very well. You are watching videos every day and understanding, preparing fair notes. I think in the last class you have learned. In the last class you have learned voice, how to change 8 kinds of tenses from active to passive. How to change 8 kinds of tenses from active to passive. They are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, simple future tense and future perfect tense. These 8 kinds of tenses can be changed from active to passive. I have shown you on the board how to change from active to passive, and I have written structures also. You have to practice, I told you. In this class, imperative sentences. How to change imperative sentences from active voice to passive voice. How to change imperative sentences from active voice to passive voice. What are imperative sentences? In the topic sentence, the sentence I explained you. What are imperative sentences? What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentences are begin with main verb and ends with a full stop. Begin with main verb and ends with a full stop, and they are request, command, order, and a piece of advice or suggestion. Imperative sentences are request, commands, orders, and a piece of advice or suggestion. Here, how to change imperative sentence from active to passive. I have written one example. Open the book. Open the book. Let the book be opened. Let the book be opened. Let the book be opened. Let. For changing imperative sentence from active to passive, we have to follow this structure. Let plus subject. Here already this means open the book means you open the book, but we should not write you. It starts with main verb. So open the book. Let the book. Let the book be plus V3. B plus V3. Let plus subject plus B plus V3. This you subject, open, verb, the book, object in active voice. But here, no, while changing active to passive, we have to begin the sentence with let for imperative sentences, and this object becomes subject. So I have written here subject plus B. In am, is, are, every time present tense, past tense, was, were, be forms we are using, we have to write directly be here plus V3. Open, opened, opened. Let the book be opened. Instead of open the book, here I use the word in this sentence, please lend me your pen. Please lend me, I use the word please. Here please indicates request. Please lend me your pen. Then we have to write the passive voice in this manner. You are requested to lend me your pen. You are requested to. You are suggested to. You are advised to. Based on the sentence, we have to use such kind of expressions. You are requested to. Here please, that's why I have written you are requested to lend me your pen. Here prepare well for the exams. You are advised or suggested to prepare well for exams. In both we have to write one. You are advised to or you are suggested to. You are suggested to prepare well for exams. This because it is the suggestion or advice given by elders or principals or teachers. So you are advised, you are suggested to prepare well for exams. So I used this expression here. Bring a glass of water. Let a glass of water be brought, like this. Bring a glass of water. Please bring a glass of water. You are requested to bring a glass of water. Please bring a glass of water. You are requested to bring a glass of water. Bring a glass of water. Let a glass of water be brought. We have to follow this structure. Otherwise, if there is a word please, then you have to write you are requested to bring a glass of water. Otherwise, let a glass of water be brought. Here, read this page. Read this page. Let this page be read. Let this page be read. Let this page be read. Read this page. Let this page, according to this structure, we have to write. Let this page be read. Write the notes. Let the notes be written. Let the notes be written. Stand up. You are ordered to stand up. Get out. You are ordered to get up. You are ordered to get out. In that way, you have to change imperative sentences from active to passive. From active to passive. Read this page. Let this page be read. Write the notes. Let the notes be written. So, practice, students, these imperative sentences, how to change from active to passive. You take some examples and try to practice in your rough notebooks. Now, how to change questions? Yes or no type questions. Questions are two kinds. Yes or no type questions, information questions. Yes or no type questions means question starts with helping verb. Helping verb. How to change them from active to passive? I am going to explain. Listen to me carefully. Will he help you? Will he help you? Will he help you? How to change from active to passive? Will he will you, subject verb object, will you be helped by you? Will you be helped by him? Will you be helped by him? What is the structure? Will, or, shall, or, can, or, may, might, or, could, etc. plus subject plus be plus V3 plus by plus object question mark. This is the structure you have to follow. Here I have taken another example. Can Rama play cricket? Can Rama play cricket? See, can Rama play cricket? How to change can cricket? Can cricket be played by Rama? Question mark. Question mark. In the question also question mark, in the answer also question mark must be there. Can cricket be played by Rama? Here subject, verb, object. We have to write this verb as it is, this helping verb as it is. Then can cricket, subject becomes object becomes subject and be plus V3 by Rama. Last class I gave you structures. Will be, shall be for future tense, how to change future tense from active to passive. Whether in the subject there is will, we have to write will be, or based on the sentence can be. If there is can, we have to write can be plus V3. Maybe plus V3. Shall be plus V3. Like that you have to write. I told you, in that way you have to remember this structure while changing questions, yes or no type questions from active to passive. And the question begins with helping verb. Here, see another model. Do you sing a song? Do you sing a song? Do you sing a song? Subject, verb, object. But here do form is there. So in present tense we use do or does. So we have to use present tense be forms. Am, is, are. Among these three we have to write one. Because do is given, do you not, can or will or shall. Here it is given do you sing a song. Do you sing a song? Then we have to write this based on this object. We have to select subject, and this object becomes a subject. A song. So before that we have to write among these three. A song is singular, that's why we have to select B form. Is a song sung by you. Is a song sung by you. Do you sing a song? Is a song sung by you? What is the structure? Be form plus questioning word. Is, am, are. Among these three, one you have to select based on the subject plus a subject plus V3 plus by plus object question mark. This is another model. Here we have to begin with this same helping verb. He help you. Will you be helped by him? Can Rama play cricket? Can cricket be played by Rama? That is one model. Here, do you sing a song? So we have to select among these three present tense be forms one. Here I have taken is because subject is singular, a song. So is a song sung by you. Suppose here I take did. Did Gopi complete? Did Gopi complete his homework? Did Gopi complete homework or project work? Did Gopi complete homework? Here did. Did means past tense. Past tense B forms, what are they? Was or were. So among these two we have to select one. In these two we have to select one. Was, here homework object becomes subject, it is verb, and Gopi subject. So here homework singular, so we have was homework. Was homework completed by Gopi. Was homework completed by Gopi. Students, practice these models in your rough notes. Tomorrow I shall explain, in another class I shall explain another model. Interrogative questions begins with WH, information questions, how to change WH questions from active voice to passive voice. These are questions starts with helping verbs. These two models, this model is different, this model is different. These two models you have to prepare carefully at home and try take another examples and practice based on this structure. Thank you students. Thank you very much. We shall meet again in the next class.